thing forever.
During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a threat of
I
severe
forgot how
weather on
bad this
Wednesday,
camera quality
tests
was.
will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Marion, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch,
Okay, I got WXJ as well.
For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming.